Just like that.
Oh my God, that was good.
Okay, so we're just going to start off with a skin pull, and it might feel a little uncomfortable when we get up inside here, but it'll feel inside. You're going to probably feel like a little pop, all right? So I'm going to bring this up inside here. Okay.
Okay, I can feel it.
Good, and that's your skin pull. Nice and easy. Excellent. That's your skin pull, all the way up top to the bottom. Really, really nice. Okay, so now I'm just going to go and do an adjustment. I'm going to loosen you up a little bit with my massager. All right. Okay, now if this feels too uncomfortable, just let me know, okay? But it should be nice and easy. Just going to loosen up your muscles a little bit. You okay? Good, good, good. Good. Wasn't too bad. Okay. And just relax your legs nice and easy. Just going to measure your legs, see how we're doing here. Good. And do a little tapping on your hips inside here. So let's see, what I want you to do is just gently raise your leg a little bit, like this. Just like that, and come right back down. Just come right back down, and just relax the leg. You're going to feel a little tap right inside here. Nice and easy. Good. Again. And here. And then right at the bottom of the pelvis. Good. Raise your leg one more time. Straight up, straight up, straight up. Good, just like up. Good stretch. You want to come right back down. Nice and easy. Cool. Raise this up a little bit, right inside here, and now bring it down. Just relax. Just relax. Good. Right there. Okay, do a little tap inside here. And here. And right at the bottom of the pelvis again. Excellent. Raise your leg nice and easy, just straight up. Perfect. Come right back down. Good stretch. I'm going to stretch out your lower back a little bit. You're going to bring your legs down to here. Just let it drop down to the side. You're going to stretch your lower back. Just like that. Just like that. Good. We're going to go to the other side. Nice and easy. Just let it drop down. Cool, just like that. Good stretch. All right, come back here. And now what I'd like you to do, I just want you to come and lay down on your side and face me right here. Lay right on your side and face the window.
Okay.
I'm going to turn you a little bit. Hands right here. And maybe don't let your shoulder hit this. Slide down. Just like that. Cool. Okay, we're going to bend this leg. Just like that. And again, you're going to feel like you're going to fall off, but you won't fall off, I promise. Now lean forward. Let your hips just drop forward a little bit more. Good. Just like nice and easy. Breathe in deep. And breathe all the way out. Nice and easy. Good. Perfect. Good. Let's go right. Let's go on the other side. Face the doorway. You don't mind? Yeah. Here we go. There we go. And I'm going to move you a little bit closer. That's awesome. And legs are going to come forward. Just let hips just fall forward easy. A little bit more, let it fall easy. That's it. Breathe in. And all the way out. Just breathe all the way out. That's it. Perfect. Come and lay down on your back face up. Okay. Come right over here. Just relax your legs nice and easy. I'm just going to just gently open up your ankle joint. It already popped. That was easy. Okay, just relax here. Nice and easy. You can do each toe. Good. Here. And here. And here. One more. Good. Good. Here as well. Here. Good. Relax your foot. Okay, I'm going to open up the ankle a little bit. A little more. Just relax. Easy. Good. Good. And just relax the ankle. Good. So did that skin pull hurt?
A little bit.
A little bit up
But
top,
it was,
right?
It was good.
Yeah, it always hurts like right inside there. It's
Yeah.
really painful. Really painful. All right. Good. And relax your hands. Good. Easy. A little more. Good. Here. And here. Good. So what do you think, Letty? Moving into New York?
Yeah, maybe.
What?
But I need more nature, you know.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Some people love New York City.
Yeah.
They love the concrete and the buildings and all that stuff. They really do.
Yeah.
You know, a lot of people that live in New York never live anywhere else.
Yeah, true.
You know?
Yeah.
All right. Another thing is people that live on one side of New York, like let's say the east side, they'll live on the east side for 25 years and never go to the west side. It's the craziest
Oh my
thing.
God.
Craziest thing. All right, I'm going to put my hand underneath your middle back. So I'm going to
Yes.
lift up a little bit here. It's going to feel a little strange. And I just want you to breathe in very deep. Breathe in and breathe all the way out. And just let it go. I'm just going to adjust right. Just like that.
Oh my God, that was good. Oh my
There we
God.
go. Okay. All right, we're going to do one more. Okay. You just got a crunchy spine. All right, slide up just a little bit. Just a little bit. Right there is cool. And relax nice and easy. Go really easy on the neck today. Yeah, there are some people that live their entire life in one section of New York, like maybe within 10 to 15 blocks, and they never leave those 10 to 15 blocks for the rest of their life. They just stay there for 20, 30, 40 years.
Oh my God.
That's what it is. I'm sure it's like that in Germany.
Yeah,
Right?
yeah, some people also
Yeah.
don't want to leave.
Mhm.
I love to travel though.
Just relax. And just traction the spine, nice and easy. Good. Go real slow, real easy here. Just a gentle adjustment right there.
I think the next, the most horrible part.
Take a minute. Take a
Yes,
minute,
yes,
take a
yes,
minute.
yes.
We'll go real slow. I promise. Just focus on your breathing. We're going to put a gentle stretch. Nice and easy. Good. That's it. Just focus on the breath. The breath is the most important, because if you're tightening up, then you're not breathing. Good. Right inside.
Oh my god.
Take a minute. Good. Good. Let it easy, easy. Breathe, 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 breathe. You're tightening up already. Good. Just breathe. Easy. Easy.
It's so loud in the ears, it's horrible. All the sound is like so...
Okay. All right. Mm-hmm. Just kind of let that go a little bit. Good. We'll do one more gentle adjustment. Right there. That's where you need it.
Mm-hmm.
That's where you're a little locked up. Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. And again, just focus on your breathing. And go real easy. That's it, just go easy. Mm-hmm. Good. Just a gentle stretch. That's okay.
Oh my god.
Take a minute. Okay. We'll go easy. A little bit more. Right there.
Oh my god.
Relax more. Okay, come back there. That's okay. That's okay. That's all right. Good. I want you to breathe in real deep. All the way out. Let it go. Good. And in real deep. Let it roll out. Just let it go. Nice and easy. Good. Good. You just nice and easy breathe. Good. I'm just going to check your jaw for a second. So I want you to just gently open your mouth and close. Open again. Close. Alright, so you have a little movement inside your jaw there. So I'm going to do a little gentle adjustment. You're going to feel a gentle... That's what you're going to feel.
Mm-hmm.
It's not going to hurt. It's almost going to feel like nothing. Have your hand. Like nothing. Okay? Just right inside your jaw. Because your jaw is slipping a little bit inside here when you open up.
Mm-hmm.
In other words, when you open up, your jaw slides a little bit.
Yeah, I feel
You see what I'm saying? Yeah, and so that happens sometimes because the joint in here is a little bit loose.
Okay.
So I'm going to just gently tap it. Okay, so I'm going to relax your jaw nice and easy. Just relax. I'm going to put a little stretch in it right here, like that. Just like that. You're going to feel a little tap. That's it. One more. That's it. And just relax easy. Good. Okay, we're going to do one more on the other side. Same way. Just on your jaw and just relax a little bit. I'm going to move to the side. Just a gentle tap. Good, and again. Good. And just relax. Good. Okay, I'm going to open up a little bit. I'm going to put a little pressure in the jaw here. It's going to feel kind of crazy.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So I'm just trying to get the muscle to loosen up a little bit because one side is a little tighter than the other. And so this will loosen up the pull on the jaw. Good. And relax. And also give you red cheeks.
Mm-hmm.
All right, we're going to try the other side. Just open up easy. Other side here. Same thing. It's going to feel a little weird. Just going to hold it for a second. Good. Close your mouth. Just relax. Easy. Going to put a little pressure here as well. You feel that in there?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Good. Perfect. Open up again slowly and close. That's a little better. Open up again and close. Nice. Good. All right. Let me help you sit up nice and easy. 1, 2, 3. Bring your legs on this side. Right over here. Oh, right over here because your shoes are over here. All right.
Thank you so
Yeah. There you go.
much. Wow, this is
Try it
like
out.
very interesting because like I always have like here the pain, the jaw pain sometimes.
Yeah.
Because I'm like, also in the night, you know, I press my teeth together.
You probably do. So
Yes.
probably when you're sleeping at nighttime, you're probably like grinding a little bit,
Yeah.
right? So also during the day, you got to be careful. Like if you're eating like steak or something like that, maybe use small pieces. Chewing gum probably isn't a good idea, you know. And when you sleep, don't sleep with more than one pillow, because then it puts your neck in a really bad position, and you'll grind at nighttime. So you gotta be
Yeah.
careful with that. Yeah.
Thank you so
Way to
much.
go. You're all set.
Okay, Wow,
Yes.
I feel really good.
Yeah, so we did the painful skin pull, right? The painful skin pull, adjusted the jaw.
Yes.
Everything else, that was good. All right.
Thank you so
Thank you
much.
for being a great,
Wow.
great patient. Yeah.
Thank you.